Looking for industrial-grade quality, performance, and reliability? Set a new standard in every category with NorthStar. Take our industrial-grade cold water pressure washer. Made for heavy-duty professional use. It can be used for more than 20 hours per week. It's great for factories, large parking lots, and maintaining heavy machinery. Built with premium components, like industrial triplex crankshaft plunger pumps and flat-free tires. Backed by the best warranties in the industry. Engineered and assembled in the USA using globally sourced materials. And proven through thousands of hours of testing. NorthStar industrial-grade cold water pressure washers have it all, so you can do it all. See for yourself why NorthStar cold water pressure washers are what you need for heavy-duty professional performance and power. Only at Northern Tool.